Hey, what's going on, guys? Keith Carpenter here with Market Chief. And in this video, I wanted to just kind of show you the assets that are already inside of Market Chief that you can use right out of the box to help your mortgage business. What you're looking at right here are basically a bunch of funnels, right? And you'll notice right away some of these terms, right? Home buyer, landing page, buyer list, different loan funnel template, FHA, VA, USDA. These are all funnels that are pre-built out. And if you look over here, you know, you've got how many steps are in each funnel. And so we have a lot of resources for mortgage and real estate. So I just wanted to show you this so you understand that Market Chief isn't something that you have to hop into and start customizing yourself from scratch. We can provide you with the resources and the assets inside here. Now, it goes beyond the funnel. So I want to take a second here to show you this. So these are all funnels. If I just click on one, let's go over here to the FHA funnel. Okay, so we see there's 3 pages for this funnel, and throughout these pages, it's going to be a survey, and then it's going to bring them to a thank you page, and then if they have bad credit, the survey actually has the smarts to direct them over to here instead and let them know that they need to work on their credit, right? So that's an example of a funnel, and there's a bunch of them in here, you know, and this is only one of many snapshots that we have with a lot more funnels that you can utilize in your business. Now, obviously, when things happen inside of a funnel, then we need automations, right? And then we need campaigns to run from those automations. So let me show you what I mean by that. So right here in our automation section, you can see under this mortgage broker snapshot, which is basically what we would kind of determine like a pre-made machine, right? With all the stuff that you need to just kind of start ripping with it. So you'll see here, FHA triggers. If I click on this, these are all the triggers that are going to happen based off of what we have built into the snapshot, right? So if I click on FHA lead, text, email, app notifications, you can see that when there's a lead added to the campaign FHA, all of this stuff over here on the right-hand side takes place, right? Which is really, really cool. So for instance, it's going to send an email, right, to whoever it is, and it's going to have this information in there, and then it's going to send an SMS to the user to let them know this just came in. Then it's going to send a notification to whoever you want to get the notification, and so on and so forth, okay? So that's an example of an automation. Now, if we go over to the campaigns, and we find the FHA campaign right here, then you're going to see it's in draft mode, right? But we have the first SMS message that goes out. And this was, again, the campaign that automation was putting them in. Then this goes out a day later. So this goes out 1 minute, then 1 day, then 1 day, then 1 day, 1 day, 2 days, 2 days, 2 days, right? All the way through, right? Look at this. Already pre-built. Right? Little things you can already say, you can tweak them, but they're pre-built for you, right? This stuff takes a lot of time and energy to build out yourself. And so it's important for us, you know, to be able to provide clients with the resources to kind of get out of the gate running and start getting results quickly. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of that. Essentially, you know, there's a lot more snapshots in here that we have that have to do with real estate and mortgage. I think there was a really cool one over here. Let's see. Yeah, this is like real estate marketing, right? Individual listing, home value, you know, just really nice looking, you know, pages where you can, and, you know, you could also even potentially help some real estate, you know, some of your real estate partners out generating leads. You know how that goes. You know, so here's like a landing page, you know, find my home's value, right? Then you click here and they fill this form out, and then boom, it goes into you, and then everything starts happening, right? Your machine starts kicking in. So that's what Market Chief is all about, guys. It's about, you know, understanding the flow of, you know, your buyers, your leads, what they need. You know, if you don't do USDA, that's fine, right? If you haven't done VA, but you've wanted to, you know, maybe, you know, the VA funnel, you know, will help you get some more clients for the VA to refinance, right? The big thing really is at the end of the day, when you have funnels in place and you have automations that are running, you and your entire team are going to be way more empowered to go out there and start actually making content, because now you have a place to drive them back to, right? You can go, you know, you can make a content. Hey, you know, did you know that, you know, you can get this kind of financing through this method? You know, yeah, it's really great. You know, there's this benefit and that benefit and that benefit. By the way, you know, there's a link in this description, and drive people over to, you know, your funnel. And so you'll want to make more content because you know there's a place to bring them that's actually going to lead to results, right? There's a funny thing. Us humans, we like results, right? And we don't get results, we tend to look for other things to do. So having funnels is really just the beginning of what is inside of here. But I wanted to give you a deeper insight so you understand that, you know, this is what's inside here waiting for you, so that you can get going and start generating leads. Because the reality is you need to have your marketing machine in place before you can create your advertising machine. But when you have both of those machines working for you, sky's the limit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to speak with somebody here about Market Chief and how it can help your mortgage business, we'd love to hear from you. Just go ahead and schedule an appointment with whoever the rep was that you were assigned to. And if you haven't seen the demo of the Market Chief system yet, go check that out, as well as you can respond to your rep and they can send you the demo of that as well. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. We're here if you need us. Looking forward to helping you grow your mortgage business, close more loans, and make 2021 the best year yet. So I'll talk to you soon.